What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com, doing affiliate landing pages, bridge pages, sales pages, and so forth. And I ask you to go and like and subscribe, hit that notification button. Working real hard doing my YouTube videos for you. Now, the ultimate drag and drop web starts is the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, they've been around for a long time, since 2004. Got over 3.5 million websites built with web starts. You can do all of your affiliate marketing through this. It is a one-stop shopping. Okay, you could do your email marketing. You could do videos. You could do e-commerce. You could do a one-product store. You can do a whole slew of products on it. Okay, SEO is built in very easily to do the SEO in it, unlike no other platform. I challenge you to go out and find an easier, simpler platform that does absolutely everything for you. As you can see, you can do a chat on your site. You got HTML access. You can make a blog. Okay, you got your style management, colors, fonts, everything else. Okay, anchor links, content delivery, do your email list. Okay, you got image editing, you got right-click disable, sitemap support, image libraries, icons, favicon support. You know, there's just so much you could do with this. It's unbelievable. Okay, and it's free to sign up. You could sign up. You can even become. Okay, you could even open up your own internet web design business through web starts. Okay, and they will hold your hand and walk you through it. Okay, you'll get wholesale pricing. You got your own templates that you can create. You got your client pages where they can log in as your customers. Okay, you can brand it, your own pricing. Okay, so that's another avenue just to make some extra cash doing websites. Okay, now that said, my couple of videos back showed you how you can easily copy a format. A lot of the times, you know, you got templates and stuff, and templates are great, but you know, sometimes you go out there and you'll see, okay, like they have their landing pages here, and I've showed you a slew of landing pages in my videos. Okay, I've showed you a slew of landing pages. Okay, which is great, and any one of them you could easily, and I'm not talking about copy and paste. Okay, let's see if I can bring up one of these. All right, I'm not talking about copy and paste. Okay, I'm talking about mimicking them. Okay, now this is Ewan Shaw. He's been around forever. He makes these sales pages like this. They're very productive for him. He's evergreen. This guy is evergreen. Okay. All right. Anyway, you see this favicon, you know it's a ClickFunnels thing going on. Okay. John Crestani, I'm sure everybody's heard him. He's another guy. He's been around. He's even on the television now. Okay. When you see them big like this, that means it's mobile friendly as well. Okay. Now, it's a long sales page. It's got everything that you need on here from soup to nuts. It's got it going on. Okay. These guys, you know, they've been in the game for a long time. Okay. And when you're just starting out, it can be difficult because this is his own product, this fella here. Okay, so this is a sales page. This is a you know, video sales page. Okay. All right. What do they call it? A VSL. Okay. Now, with all that said, you could literally mimic these sites. And again, the templates are great, don't get me wrong. Okay, templates are great. And if you just want to build, a simple, simple landing page, like this is a little blog thing that I'm doing, and I've taken private label rights. Okay, when I say private label rights, master resale rights, okay, yes, you can do anything with it. Okay, you can do anything with it. Okay, if you stay to this video, at the end of it, I'm going to show you where to get that. Okay, get those free private label rights, master resale rights. Okay, let me just bring up a couple more of these just to show you. Alright, and everything is geared on psychologically getting the people to click. Okay, this is a two-step opt-in. Alright, and I've showed you that in some of my other videos, how I made similar websites with the two-step opt-in. Okay, it's on my Aweber template. Alright, let's see if I can bring that up. Okay, my Aweber template. Alright, hang on one second. Alright, let's go with it. Okay, made this template in Aweber. Show you how to do a landing page. Okay, if you go to my site, I've got a link in the description. Again, you stay to the end of the video. I'll leave you these links in the description. Okay, this is a call to action, two-step sign up. Okay, made that with Aweber. Okay, and this is a template. If you sign up with Aweber through me, I'll be able to share these templates for you. Hell, I'll even make you a template of your own, any way you want to do it. Okay, for free. Alright, when you sign up with me, I'll get a small commission. It'll be the same price to you. Okay, now these are psychologically driven. Okay, psychologically driven. My RWC web pages, I like to keep it short, simple, to the point. Okay, this isn't a this is what they call an opt-in page. Okay, it's not a lead capture page. It is a lead capture page, but it's technically it's an opt-in page, because what I do is when I make my videos on YouTube, okay, I send you guys here. So I'm not giving out a lead magnet. Okay, it's not a lead magnet page. It's not a sales page. It's not a bridge page. Okay, what I do here is I obtain opt-ins through my YouTube. Now, basically, my YouTube information that I'm giving you is the lead magnet. Okay, now I do have lead magnet pages. Okay, hub site. What is a hub site? You go here, you'll be able to download my template on how to build these pages. Okay, and it's a full template on how to build it. Okay, and this is a lead magnet page, because when you opt in over here, okay, when you sign up over here, I'm going to give you a PDF. Okay, and that's what they're all about. Okay, that's what it's all about. And within that PDF, there's information about the product, the item, okay, or the person that you're branding themselves. Okay, so know the difference, learn these terminologies. Okay, this is an opt-in page. Okay, I want you guys to come in from YouTube. Okay, this here is another type of lead magnet page. Okay, where should we send your free training? Okay, this is more or less an opt-in page, and what they're going to do is they're going to ask you for information, your email and your name, and they're going to send you some emails back with some free training and where to go. Okay, this particular page, when it's done, It's going to be a lead capture page or a sales page, or you could use it as a bridge page or whatever, however you want to do it. Okay.